Dell Alienware AW3225QF Best Settings. Hey guys, in this video, we will see Dell Alienware AW3225QF Best Settings. First, choose the screen size that is right for you, such as 32 inches. Now select the screen type that is right for you, such as curved screen. Now, choose the 4K UHD resolution for clarity. Set the refresh rate at 240Hz for smooth gaming performance. It offers the resolution 4K UHD at 240Hz. It is NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and VESA Adaptive Sync display certified. The port 1X DP1.4 supports up to 3840 by 2160 240Hz DSC HDR. Also, 2X HDMI 2.1 supports up to 3840 by 2160 240Hz FRL, HDR, and VRR, as specified in HDMI 2.1. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.